Hi, my name is Wang Yuhan. Today I would like to talk about how MGMT5050 have influenced my real life. For me, the course is not only about learning responsible business concept. More importantly, it helped me understand how to think, decide, and communicate better in real situations. And after studying these courses, I realized that the responsible professionalism is not something far away, and it can appear in many small choices, such as study, work, and the daily life. And the first influences on my decision making before taking these courses, I often take some good, decision was that one, the fast and efficiency. If a task could be finished quickly, I would think it is a very good choice. But MGMT 5050 helped me to realize it's not a very good decision, because a good decision is not only focused on speed, but also consider about fairness and other people's need and some possible impact. And in week 4, we learned that the decision should consider different stakeholders, not only one person and one group. And for example, in the group assessment in my bachelor degree, I used to think give some most difficult part to the person who was best at it. At first, it sounded efficiency. However, I later realized it could create too many pressure for that person, and it could also reduce other members' chance to learn and contribute. So when I do the group work now after this process, I think I try to discuss tasks with my teammate first. And at the same time, I need to ask about their strengths and time availability and confidence. And then we divided the work in a more balanced way. As a result, the group process becoming fair, and people are willing to take responsibility. This shows me the responsible decision making is not about the final result. It is also about how we reach that result. The second influence is on my communication. In the past, when I found a problem, I sometimes give feedback very directly, and I thought this is helpful. But however, the process helped me understand that the way communicate can affect how others feel and respond. So in the week 8, we learned about the feedback should focus on the situation, behavior, impact, and on the issue, but not on the person. A real example is from my some-term part-time job. One time, my colleague placed some products in the wrong area. Before, I might have said you picked this in the wrong places. But now, after this process, maybe I will say, this product are placed here. Customer may feel confused, and we may need to pay more time to help them. And this way to talk to him is more respectful, I think, and it can make the problem easier to solve. At the same time, it can focus on the issue but not on the person. Through this experience, I learned about the good communication can reduce conflict and improve the teamwork. Overall, MGMT 5050 changed the way I think about responsibility. It taught me that the becoming responsible is not only about the knowing what is right. At the same time, it is consider about other people, communicating respectfully. This skill is very useful in the university, work, and daily life. Therefore, this process has helped me becoming more careful, fair, and professional in the daily life situation. Thank you.